Hey guys, I basically invested $500 yesterday, and today I invested another $500. Um, about I don't know 200 no, probably half of that was in SID. I bought 100 shares yesterday. I bought another 100 shares today, and luckily today it was down, so I even got it at a cheaper price than I did yesterday. Um, I mean, what a bargain! And let's just be honest, guys. This isn't a little teeny tiny $20 million company like I like to buy. The $30 million. This is a $3 billion company. B with for the big boy pants. B for billions. I really just don't believe this P ratio, because when I looked at this one, to be honest with you, I liked this one better than BAK actually. This one was actually had better fundamentals than BAK, and I basically put 10 grand into BAK. So um, if this one had actually better fundamentals than BAK and I put 10 grand into BAK, that means I really like this one a lot. Um, companies have good years, they have bad years, they have ups, they have downs, but if the fundamentals uh, are solid, it should turn around at some point. But I mean, this is actually better. I don't know. It might be that, but you know, paying a 22-cent dividend over a stock that's like $2, that's great. So I mean, not only are you getting a 10% dividend, but who knows? It might go back to 850, might go to 15, and I'm sure these are like splits or something, so it probably was never actually at some of these prices. But um, just in the recent past, in the last 2 years, it was almost $9. So um, if it goes from 2 to 10, that's 5 times your money. Plus, you're getting a 10% dividend. I'll take that any day of the week and twice on Sunday. Um, in my other account, I just bought. I think I maybe just bought one share today of SJT, just so I have an even 300 in my. I hadn't even shown this account I have, but I have another account, and it's between 1 and 20. Um, but anyway, I got 500 shares of SID now, which I'm happy with. I have 300 shares of SJT. Um, I'm trying to think what my other big holding is. I can't. Oh, SND. I have about 2 grand. 2 grand in. SJT. I have about 2 grand in. This one. I have 500 shares. I think I got like 1,000, maybe 1,000 in, maybe a little more. But I started buying it at 400. I mean, $4, 4.50 or something. So, I'm dollar cost averaging, and got to be in it to win it. when things look bad, that's when I like to jump in. I mean, this is just a straight downward trend. I mean, you probably could stick a buy order in at 201 or something, and maybe over the next week or so, maybe it hits it, and to give yourself a little margin of safety. But anyway, if it's at $2 a week from now, and I still have some money to invest, I might buy some more. Um, it'd be nice to get an even 1,000 shares maybe, and I'm halfway there now. I spent the rest of the money. I don't know, maybe 300. No, it was less than 300, but might have been 260. I'm not sure exactly, but I have a buy order in, and it's not filled yet. So I really don't want to talk about it until after it's filled. Um, but there's another one that I think is a bargain right now, and I was just adding to the position. Because I mean, if something's going straight up, I mean, it's hard to create a position. But when things are going bad, and I remember this thing being 15 bucks, so I'm not sure where the 15 is, but I know for a fact this thing was 15 bucks at some point. Um, and I think this one will go back to 15 at some point. But I mean, look at the dividend yield, guys, 23.77%. I mean, I think this month they might be paying like 2 pennies or 3 pennies or something. But so if you're looking for like steady, reliable income, this isn't going to pay you the exact amount each month because it fluctuates. It depends on what the natural gas price is. Um, but I guess this is like current. Um, but as you can see, guys, on the natural gas chart, we're kind of at a low point. I mean, um, imagine when we're back up here at 8 or 9, or up here at 13 or 14, or maybe even higher. Um, what the dividend or the unit trust would be paying. It would be astronomical. So I think this is a good time to be buying natural gas, and um, This is a little teeny tiny thing, 300 million. But I mean, you can see how much the profits jumped. It says oil and natural gas, but this one is basically 90% natural gas. So, I mean, you see this chart here, and you see how low we are. I mean, it was even lower. It was 2 something. Now it's 3. But, I mean, not that long ago it was 9. I mean, this was a while back. Maybe this was like during the financial crisis. Um, I don't know. Maybe this was the dot-com bust, but there were definitely some spikes. And when it spikes again, you can either take a profit, get out, get your capital gains, or just hang tight and just get a massive dividend. And during all these periods that it doesn't really go up very much, you can just be accumulating shares. You're not going to be getting paid a lot, but you're getting paid something. And then when it spikes up, you're going to be getting huge paydays. But like I said, you're still getting 20, even with 2 cent right now, because of what's happened already this year. And I might be wrong, but I mean, according to this, it says 23%. I mean, if you're getting 23% dividends, or let's say 25% dividends a year, well, 4 years of that'd be 100%, and that's not even including reinvesting dividends. But anyway, thanks for watching.